Welcome learners. My name is Shubhangi Jetlikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Varda. In this session, we are going to discuss performance appraisal as a part of performance management system. Friends, for any organization, human resource management forms an integral function of its overall management. In that, performance management system is one of the important functions. Why? Let us understand. Can you imagine your appointment to any company and your first day at the job? What would you probably do? You would go to the office and report to the concerned person, most probably who has hired you or who has taken your interview. After that, the most chances are you will be sent to its training and development department to undergo your induction program. This induction program is designed to make the new employees at comfort and get gel into the system of the organization. They help us to know what company does, how it works, what are the objectives for which company is working, and what you are supposed to do there. So your role will be explained to you by the respective manager. This is what the induction program is. Friends, this starting through induction program is a part of performance management system. Ask why. Once you get to know what you have to do, it is very obvious that whatever you are going to do will be evaluated. Everyone wants to form a successful career. This success can be measured by the achievements. Friends, performance management system talks about these achievements. When we say performance management system, there are many things under it which can be listed as achievement: communication skills, coaching, mentoring, evaluation, delegation, innovation, improvements, learning ability, managerial ability, problem solving ability, potential of the people, time management, vision, even project management, interpersonal communication skills, and much more. So that's why performance management system deals with all these things. It enables the managers to enhance all these things at intervals and on a continuous basis. So let us understand what are the objectives of performance management. Friends, the first objective of the performance management system or management process is human resource planning. Particular work requires particular efforts. The company will measure, or the company will first evaluate how much work is required and how many people would probably do it. What kind of people has to be in the system to do particular job. Human resource planning talks about recruiting, selecting and training those people. The second objective of the performance management is personnel decisions. How many people to recruit, how many people to lay off, how much reward should be given to them. These things or these decisions about the people are taken under performance management system. Another objective which is very crucial of performance management is feedback, motivation and personality development. Friends, can you imagine why would any company take so many efforts, invest so many days and months for every employee's training? Every organization has its own culture to work in. To acquaint with it and to perform particular tasks, every employee has to be trained. When they reach to managerial levels, managers are developed. So, when training talks about knowledge, skills and abilities, development programs talk about generating particular attitude, values and belief system. How we will know our performance is going better or not? somebody has to give a feedback. That's why feedback system is an integral part to evaluate how the performance is going on. Friends, appraisal process is evaluating process. It is a continuous process and it is an integral process which allows the companies to measure the performances. Another objective of performance management is compensation and rewards. Whether the employees has to be compensated and how much. If one is getting promotion, how much increment should be given. All these decisions are taken with the help of PMS systems. Recruitment and selection is another objective of performance management, where the company tries to hire right person for the right position and at the right time. Career planning and development. Not limited to hiring and training, but companies also strive to grow, to help their employees grow and develop. Friends, many companies also pursue PhDs in the respective area in which the employee is working. His department may be counting his contribution. Over the period of time when employees are working and getting excel at their work, they often reach to the level where they can take decisions in that respective field and also create or innovate new things in the respective field. To allow them these innovations, creations and further researches to overall improve the system, companies appreciate them and provide them various ways to go further. Development is a part of it. Internal employee relations. Friends, performance of every employee is being affected by the internal and external environment. If these both are in line, balanced and in tune, the performance of the employee will definitely enhance. The internal employee relationships often are created at the level of induction and they are being nurtured periodically through various processes or through various formal and informal systems. So these are the performance management objectives. Performance appraisal. Let's come to this concept and understand what appraisal means. Have you ever been appraised at your home? Do we give chocolates to children when they perform something? Isn't it appreciating? Isn't it rewarding? Do you feel good when your efforts are appreciated? What this makes you do? You do better, you do more, and that's why appraisals are important. If the firm is growing, its employees should also grow, and appraisals are one of the indicators of growth.